Hi, this is Michael Zippy, dude over at Russ Darrow Kia Wauwatosa. As you're going to see here, we have a lot of EV-6s in stock. We have a $7,500 lease cash bonus now. We also have $3,750 off cash if you're going to buy. The beauty of this is we have kind of extra inventory of these EVs, contrary to what you see in the propaganda on the news and everything, when nobody likes their electric cars. That's total BS. Big oil keeps pumping this stuff into everybody's minds, but the reality is I've been driving this car for over a year. Tesla's got record number of deliveries in a lot of different countries and one of the most popular cars here in the US. It's not because people don't like their electric car. That's just more BS from the oil companies. So if you take a look, we have a bunch of them in stock now. You can take advantage of that because when I got mine, it was like $8,000 over sticker when they first came out. I still love the car. I haven't gotten gas in over a year. We also have the Kia Niros. Those are a little bit less expensive. These are available in all-wheel drive, the EV6s. The Niros are only available in the front-wheel drive, all-electric. But I'm telling you, this will fit in your budget. You power it up via your plug at home, and you don't have to worry about it. Most people, over probably 65% of the drivers or more, can deal with an electric car, and they don't need a gas car. So please call me, text me, message me if you have any questions about going to all-electric. But what I can tell you is this. Most people have an electric car, they're never going back to gas. And it's coming. It's coming in every brand, make, model, electric. You can fight it, but guess what? You might as well try to keep your horse and buggy too. It doesn't matter. Most cars will be electric on the road within probably 5 years. Believe it. Michael Zippity Duda,